How to mint NFTs on OBJKT. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Tether NFT Marketplace OBJKT, how you can buy, sell your NFTs on a marketplace, and how does it work. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you can go to objkt.com. OBJKT is a Tezos NFT marketplace where we can buy, sell, and mint NFTs on Tezos. It's a famous NFT marketplace, and if you are thinking of minting Tezo NFTs, if you want to buy Tezo NFTs, then you will be able to find them on this platform. Just like there are different platforms for different blockchains such as Ethereum and Solana, similarly Tezo has its own NFT marketplace with really good art, and we can find really good NFTs on Tezo. So let me show you how it works, and I'll show you how you can mint NFT. When it comes to minting NFT on OBJKT, keep in mind that you need to have a verified account and you need to sign into your wallet as well. So what we can do is we can actually click on sync option given here, and it will allow me to add my wallet. So that's the first thing that we need to do in order to create NFTs and actually mint NFTs on Tezos. So you need to have maybe a Kukai wallet, then we have AirGap wallet, Autonomy, and then we have Umami wallet. So you can select the one that you have and it will build a connection for you. Let's say that you do not have an account, then what you can do is you can go to that, you can just go to Google and search for that wallet. For example, we have Umami right here, which is a Tezos wallet. And what I can do is I can just download it on my Windows, and that's what I'm gonna do. So it will be downloaded right here, and then what we can do is we can add it as an extension on our Google Chrome, and it will be shown right here. So once you have a wallet, you need to have a Tezos wallet. Once you have the wallet, you will just click on Think and select the wallet of your choice, and then connect your wallet. So let's say that I've connected my wallet and now we're good to go. Now let me show you around OBJKT. So first of all, we have Hot Collection, and in order to mint NFTs, we can get inspiration from here. So this is the first NFT, like Hot Collection right now, and I can check it out to see what are the items, what's the total volume, and what is the price right now for the NFT. When it comes to the NFT art, it's pretty impressive and very abstract art is available on this platform. And then there is like a lot of different, art types available. There are different, digital art, there is abstract art, then we have different type of NFTs. So if I want to check an art, let's say I like an art and I want to check it out. Let's open up this NFT right here, and this is the look of NFT on OBJKT. So when you will be minting NFTs, you will add your NFT name, then you need to add your price, the minimum price if you're gonna go with auction, and then you just upload your NFT. So that is how we mint NFTs on OBJKT. Now I can scroll down and explore more, but when it comes to the minting of your OBJKT, for some reason what's happening right now is that my wallet is kind of like not connecting, but you'll just connect your wallet, and then when it comes to the minting of any NFT, we'll focus on that. So let's say that this is my NFT art. Let's say that this is the image that I uploaded and I wanted to upload. So while uploading an image, you just upload the NFT you want to. We can upload any kind of NFT. Keep in mind, we can upload any GIF kind, MP4, audio. Then we have digital art. We have 3D NFTs. Whatever NFT you want to add, you just upload the file, and then you can just add the name for your NFT. Then you will enter your amount for your NFT. We can also add different links. We can add properties of an NFT as well. So that's how the minting works on OBJKT. It's very easy to use, and you can mint once you are verified as well. So it will simply list your NFT on the platform, and if it does pretty well, you will be able to make money. So for how much you can actually sell an NFT, well, the good NFTs are being sold for maybe 100 Tez, and then it is around about like $200 at the time of making this video. Now you can see this is a pretty impressive NFT art right here, and it's minted on Tezos, and the highest bid is 150. So this is what it will be sold on. So you can just like upload any kind of art for OBJKT. So how to actually create an art. For creating an art, or you can go to any platform. I personally use 3D art dot NFT, and then we also have Canva to create such NFTs. So you will create your NFT art. Once you have the art, then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna, create your NFTs and mint them, and it will be shown like this. We can also upload our collections on OBJKT, and the collections can also be uploaded. Then of course we can enter the price and offer. Most of the time, most of the NFTs are going to be for auction, and you can auction them right here. So we have like, you can create a collection as well once you have an account on OBJKT by just connecting your wallet. Again, we can go with different browser extension wallet as well, such as Fire and Temple Wallet, and then we have Galleon, Umami. These are the different web wallets and desktop wallets. You can also connect a mobile wallet with your OBJKT. We have live auctions right here, so I'm gonna take you to live now. And what happens in live is that instead of when you mint any collection, we can actually, create a live event for that as well, such as a live sale, a live list, or anything we want to. So what is going to happen is that we go live. You can see this one is live, like a live sale happening, and the more sales are updated every like second right here. So if you're looking for going live and doing auction of your NFT and minting them on OBJKT, then this option is also available. Then we have an explore option, and in explore it is like an open marketplace available, and I will be able to find all of the different NFTs right here. And keep in mind that it's like very similar to OpenSea, Ethereum, and what we can do is we can also like customize our search by adding collections. We have tags, we have prices, editions, attributes that we can add right here to customize our search, and then we can find the right NFT, and this is where your NFT will be listed if you are not verified, and if you're gonna go with the open marketplace. So it depends on you. If you are a beginner, your NFT will land right here in the explore section. And let me show you again what you require for the minting when it comes to the open marketplace. You just need details, and you need an NFT. So this is like an NFT. Then we need to just simply enter our properties for the NFT. You will enter the name for your NFT, and then you can also, it will show the owner as well, of course, the wallet that you have connected. If you already have a collection, then you can mint more than one NFTs in a collection and create a collection on OBJKT, and it will show you. But this is the open marketplace, and a lot of NFT art is available here. You can sell it for good price, and you can place it on auction so that you get the maximum out of it. There are different categories and users as well. When it comes to the users, there are famous users who create NFTs, and you can see them right here. These are the different users. And then we have categories. When it comes to the different categories in which you can mint NFTs on OBJKT, it's going to be pixel art, then we have generative art, music, collage, then we have illustrations, paintings, monochromes, photography, architecture, 3D, glitch art, AI art, then we have sculptures, writing, street art, photogrammetry, GIF, and trash art. So this is actually pretty impressive, like the art types that you can mint on OBJKT. They are given right here. So it's really good that we can mint from pixel to even trash art on OBJKT. So it depends on you what kind of creator you are, and you can just mint your NFTs on OBJKT. It's really easy to do. Just sign up for objkt.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.